understand our responsibility to the society and environment. The Social Outreach Club of the Institute has been regularly organizing blood donation camps, donating clothes, toys and other materials to the needy, donating blankets to the roadside dwellers in winter, etc. My dear young friends, I am sure that you have enjoyed your learning experience in VISA-IM. Your mission for learning started with a lot of apprehensions, but your passion to learn has made you, your parents and all of us proud today. Friends, today you have achieved a personal milestone by completing the final steps of your journey. At VISA-IM, amidst a raging global pandemic of historic proportions which the world has not witnessed since 1918 influenza pandemic. With little over a month to go in the final term of your program, the Institute had to take an unprecedented decision to shift the entire teaching, learning and assessment online, and that too at a very short notice for the sake of the safety and health of everyone at the Institute and their families. I am indeed proud to note that throughout the difficult period, you have demonstrated a remarkable ability to adapt quickly to online learning and the resilience to overcome the challenges. Your unflinching support during the testing times has made it possible for my colleagues and staff to complete the final term on time against all odds. As the world slowly moves towards the normalcy, you are in a unique position to use the lessons that you have learned at a very early stage of your career on how adaptability, resilience, resourcefulness, optimism, and above all, that special blend of passion and perseverance can help you face head-on and overcome challenges and obstacles no matter how overwhelming they are. The inner strength that you possess and grit and determination that you have exhibited despite the odds to finish the race will hold you in a good state and fill you with confidence to face any challenge in the future. As future leaders, these very qualities that you have displayed will help you innovate and solve complex problems that we may encounter in future and motivate you to discover new opportunities to create a better world. The same has been reiterated by our Honorable Chairman, the President Dr. D.N. Rao also. Friends, on behalf of the faculty and staff of VISA-IM, I once again extend my congratulations on the graduation day. Please understand that learning is a continuous process. I ensure that your passion for learning does not end here. I urge you to use your learning not just for your own prosperity, but for the prosperity of the organization, the society, and nation at large. Be the guide of a rich value system. Be the torchbearers of this prestigious institute, and do not forget that you always continue to remind the members of the VISA-IM family, cherish this eternal bond and stay connected through the alumni forum. I know that you are already connected through the Alma Shines. Once again, congratulations to all the graduates. Wishing you all the best in all your endeavors. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It begins with interest and responsibility. It continues with relationships that are worthwhile, and it ends with benefit for all. Alumni is an effective role model and can be easily accepted by students. With the return of the alumni to support the institute, they bring with them credibility and justification as part of a successful institution, having read the same air and encountering similar challenges faced by the students. VISA-IM recognizes the achievements of any two alumni of the institute and honors them with Alumni Recognition Award. The two alumni members who are honored this year are Mr. Satish Shah from Batch 4, Head of HR at DE Shah India Private Limited, and Mrs. Priyanka Ganeriwal Arora from Batch 6, Past Chairperson, FLO Hyderabad, and is a sole proprietor of Wedding and More. Even before we honor our alumni, let me introduce them to you. Satish has more than 22 years of experience in strategic human resource management with software, product and services organizations. He has experience in leading, coaching and mentoring regionally distributed human resource teams, ability to strategize, coach and partner with leaders and managers across multiple business divisions and leading complex organization development and change management situations. He is currently working with D. Shaw India as the head of human capital. Prior to this, he has worked with Google and Uber, where he has worked in various HR business partner lead and head of recruiting roles. In his free time, he spends time reading and cycling. Satish passed out of BJM in 1998. Satish, may I now request you to come up to the dais? The citation reads, Distinguished Alumni Award presented to Mr. Satish Shah of 4th batch for his outstanding accomplishments in his chosen field of endeavor and his continuous support to his alma mater, thus bringing honor and prestige to his fellow alumni and to the institute. Congratulations, Satish. Priyanka Ganeriwal Arora believes in the pluralism of women, the immense and innate potential to don several roles with ease. A mother, wife, daughter, entrepreneur, homemaker, all of which she has had to play on a daily basis. She started her career with Deloitte Consulting and was amongst the first 5 employees who helped in setting up firm's strong base in Hyderabad. Moving ahead, Priyanka pursued her creativity to carve a niche in the world of wedding concepts and execution with her firm Weddings and More. She started this firm in the early 2000s at a time when the concept was still new in Hyderabad and provided wedding solutions to many of her satisfied customers. Subsequently, she went on to launch many more businesses like Party Hunters, Party Monsters, and Fringe Craft. This year, she launched another new vertical to her portfolio, Sutra Solutions. Priyanka was the chairperson of FLO Hyderabad, the women wing of FICCI in 2018-19. With the motto that she has miles to go before she sleeps, she is looking forward to exploring newer avenues. Priyanka, may I now request you to come on to the dais? The citation reads, Distinguished Alumni Award presented to Mrs. Priyanka Ganeriwal of 6th batch for her outstanding accomplishments in her chosen field of endeavor and her continuous support to her alma mater, thus bringing honor and prestige to her fellow alumni and the institute.
Siddharth also passed out from the same institute. He is heading the sales of LG India. Samsung India. When I asked him to come for the convocation, he suggested his wife's name. He deserves this award, not me. Thank you, Siddharth.
Congratulations, Priyanka. Now for the much awaited part of this event. May I now request our President, to commence the proceedings for presentation of the diploma.
Let the candidates be presented.
may kindly stand. Sir, I present you 228 students of the PGDM and PGDM General program of this institution, whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for the postgraduate diploma in management, which I pray that they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the President of Vijnana Jyoti Society, I admit you all to the postgraduate diploma in management of VJIM, and I charge that ever in your life, thought, action, and conversation, you prove yourself worthy of the same.
I request Sri Harishchandra Prasad Garu, General Secretary Vijnana Jyoti and Chairman VJIM, to administer the oath to the graduates. Please remain standing.
Very good afternoon to all the students. I think probably this last time we addressed the students. I want to be very clear and loud when you take this oath. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. I, student of postgraduate diploma in management of Vijnana Jyoti Institute of Management, hereby pledge that I shall with thought and deed ever endeavor to be scrupulously honest and truthful in the discharge of my duties as manager. In all circumstances, I shall uphold the dignity and integrity of my profession, the reputation of our institute, and the honor of our nation. I shall devote all my energy to promoting unity and secular ideals of our country, and utilizing my managerial skills in the service of our people. Thank you.
Mr. N. Sri Charan. Mr. C. Santosh Kumar. Mr. G. Vinay. Mr. G. Venu. Mr. Rajshekhar K. Mr. E. Sudhakar Reddy. Mr. T. Srikanth. Mr. T. Manikanta Reddy. Ms. G. Snehalata. Mr. Sheikh Shahbaz. Mr. G. Jaswant Kumar. Ms. Sahana Padiyar. Baba Saddam Hussain.